Alex, do you want to go to that vending machine to get some juice?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Wait a minute! There's only water? What?
How could they?
Why is there only water? Alex, I'm just gonna go to the shop and get some juice for us. Okay, let's go. Let me go get my bag. Okay,
I'll sit on the couch while you go to the store.
Okay. Hello. Okay, let's get in the store. Wait, there's only water? Oh my god, I just wanted a juice. Oh my god, I just wanted juice. I hope they have juice at the store. Wait a second. They only have water? Wait. I thought, oh man, they only have water? This is so impossible. I'll just go home and tell Alex they don't have juice. Alex, you won't believe it. They don't have any single type of juice. They just had water.
What? Let's go back to the vending machine right now.
You know, water's good for you. Yeah. Let's just go to the vending machine. Okay. Put the cone in. Water. Oop. Okay, got a water bottle. Okay, Alex. Do you want to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
Okay. So, pretend. So you see these Skittles?
Yeah.
Pretend I'll put them in here. How? Oh, yeah, look. Look at your, look in here. Really, put your eyes like that.
Oh, I'm really hungry. Oh, this cake looks so delicious.
This kid looks so delicious. Let's put it down and I can eat it after dinner. Wait, did he say cake? Cake! Woohoo! I'm gonna go to get that cake. Sneak. Oh! Bye! No! Hey, that was my cake! No! Come back! Give us our cake back! Give me my cake back! Anthony, are you also trying to steal our cake? My cake? No. I have an idea to trick that Twitch. To get my cake. To get that cake. This pizza. Boom, 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 boom. Perfect. Now let's wait. Ooh, honey, is that a pizza? That good. Check you. And thank you for this. Alex, you protect Anthony. I'm gonna put the witch in the tent to make sure she doesn't escape. Boo, boo, boo. Hello, this is the police. How can I help you?
Yeah, the Bet Anthony is back. Okay, gonna come. Oops, my hat. Okay, I'll be right there. Where is she? Oops, sorry, my hat fell again. Sorry, my hat. My hats keep falling. And I'll just take all my hat off. Okay, let's put it. I have to hold my hat. It's not getting on right. Okay. So what's the problem? Bandy's back. Can you get him? Of course. Come out here. Of course. Come up here now and go get the witches. And Alex, the witches here. I got you. We have the gold baby bell. Here we have the gold swarthy baby bell. Here we have the laughing cow shark. We have the gold lily dammer original cheese. Here we have the Port Salute golden cheese. Here we have the Frank's Red Hot original gold. Here we have a gold Old Bay seasoning. Here we have gold ground cinnamon. Here we have McCormick black pepper. Here we have original paprika. Now we have Subs barbecue sauce. Here we have the little seasoned salt. Here we have cream of tartar. Here we have McCormick root beer concentrate. Here we have almond breeze unsweetened original milk. Here we have almond breeze almond chocolate milk. Here we have blue diamond almond smokehouse. Here we have Allison nut thins. We have bagel bites, snacks, cheese and pepperoni. Here we have Kool-Aid Jammer's tropical punch. We have Crystal Light original lemonade. We have Velveeta original mac and cheese. Here we have honey bunches of oats, honey roasted cereal. Here we have honey bunches of oats, frosted cereal. Here we have country time lemonade. Then we have shaken baked original pork. Here we have bagels and sweetened chocolate. We have Jolvalia coffee, yellow pack. We have golden crinkle fries. We have the coat with the little basket. We have the roll leaf basket. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.